In the news, Tesla Inc. TSLA up 12.33%, gapping up following a stronger-than-expected third-quarter 2024 earnings report. Revenue rose by 8% year-over-year to reach $25.18 billion, though this number missed estimates of $25.37 billion. And adjusted earnings of 72 cents per share exceeded expectations of 58 cents. The company also reported an 18.5% adjusted EBITDA margin for the quarter, up by 243 basis points on a year-over-year basis. Tesla guided strong fourth-quarter deliveries and slight growth for fiscal year 2024 deliveries, noting that production of new and more affordable models is still set to begin in the first half of 2025. NVIDIA Corp, NVDA, up 1.07%. One of the company's key suppliers, SK Hynix, reported record-breaking quarterly revenue of 17.5731 trillion won, or $12.65 billion, driven by strong demand for AI-related memory products like high-bandwidth memory. SK Hynix expects continued growth in AI memory demand and plans to expand production of advanced DRAM and NAND products to maintain its leadership in the sector. The stock traded lower throughout Wednesday's session. Reuters reported that CEO Jensen Huang said a design flaw with the company's Blackwell chips was resolved with assistance from Taiwan Semiconductor. The Boeing company, BA, down 3.36%, trading lower pre-market after the company's machinists' union rejected a proposed labor deal, extending a strike that has disrupted the company's Seattle area production for over 5 weeks. Although the offer included a 35% wage increase and bonuses, workers were dissatisfied with the lack of a pension plan and sought higher pay to address rising living costs. Kelly Ortberg, the company's new CEO, mentioned that resolving the strike is a priority during the company's earnings call on Wednesday, October 23rd. Palantir Technologies Inc., ticker symbol PLTR, is up 1.36%. The company has entered a strategic partnership with L3Harris Technologies to enhance the U.S. Department of Defense's Joint All-Domain Network. This will be achieved by combining L3Harris sensor systems with Palantir's AI platform. The partnership will primarily focus on U.S. Army programs and integrating AI for advanced defense technologies, including sensors and radios. There's also potential for internal digital transformation for L3Harris. Crypto stocks are up 1.87%, trading higher as a group in tandem with a recovery in Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency has reclaimed the $67,000 level as of Thursday morning, following weakness on Wednesday, which saw it break below $66,000. Ethereum, which was also weak on Wednesday, is trading roughly 2% lower as of Thursday morning, and is above the $2,500 level. Stocks in focus include Mara, Coin, Riot, Mester, Ibit, Etha, Klesk, Hut, BTT, and Iron. United Parcel Services Inc., ticker symbol UPS, is trading sharply higher pre-market, up 7.79%, after reporting earnings for the third quarter of 2024. The company posted adjusted earnings of $1.76 per share and sales of $22.2 billion, exceeding expectations of $1.63 and $22.14 billion, respectively. For fiscal 2024, the company guided consolidated revenue around $91 billion and a non-GAAP adjusted operating margin around 9.6%. American Airlines and Southwest are both down by 0.85%. Both airlines reported earnings before the bell on Thursday, October 24th. American Airlines posted adjusted earnings of 30 cents per share and sales of $13.6 billion, beating estimates of 15 cents and $13.471 billion, respectively. Southwest also beat estimates for earnings and revenue, and announced that it has made a deal with activist investor Elliott Investment to avoid a proxy fight. As per the deal, Southwest will add 6 seats to its board of directors, and CEO Bob Jordan will be allowed to keep his position. Both companies are trading lower pre-market. AAL, Love. International Business Machines Corp, or IBM, is down by 4.19%. The stock is trading sharply lower pre-market following its Q3 earnings report. The company reported $14.968 billion in quarterly sales, missing estimates of $15.070 billion, and reported losses from continuing operations of 34 cents per share. CEO Arvind Krishna highlighted IBM's 10% year-over-year growth in its software revenue segment and noted that the company's generative AI business has grown by more than $1 billion quarter over quarter. Trump Media and Technology Group and Phunware are both down by 3.42%. Both stocks are trading lower pre-market with volume, pulling back from a multi-day rally ahead of the U.S. presidential election on November 5th. Republican candidate and former U.S. President Donald Trump is the majority shareholder and namesake of Trump Media. Phunware, whose platform provided the basis for a mobile app used in Trump's 2020 re-election campaign, often runs in sympathy with Trump Media and has a 6.5% short float. DJT, Fun. Quantum and nuclear stocks are up by 2.77%. The group has been on watch since last week when Amazon announced plans to invest heavily in the nuclear energy space. QuantumScape is trading sharply higher pre-market after its earnings report, where it met market expectations by reporting GAAP losses of 23 cents per share for Q3 2024. Many of these stocks have notable short floats. QuantumScape has a short float of 15.9%, IonQ has a 21.6% short float, and NewScale ticker symbol SMR has a short float of 26.9%.